Hi, welcome to the Ricep Appliances YouTube channel. This isn't going to be a short punchy video, this is going to be quite a long video. It's because we've never had a machine as complicated as this especially from Siemens. This is the brand new WMH4Y890GB. Quite a mouthful, but it does an awful lot. It's their new Wi-Fi IDOS iSensoric washing machine. Yes, that's correct. It's a Wi-Fi iSensoric IDOS washing machine. We turn it on, and it's fairly familiar to the modern Siemens washing machines that we've had in over recent years. It's got that familiar cool blue light on the front, the lovely big LED display there, and a few bits that flash on the front. Capacity wise, it's huge. It's 9 kilos, so it's a really nice big size. 1400 spin speed, so it's a nice quick spin. Going underneath it, the bits you can't see, this machine has their IQ drive, so the motor has a 10-year guarantee on it. There is no carbon brushes in the motor anymore, so it's a lot less susceptible to failing and going wrong. When you open the door at the front here, it's got a nice big easy access drum, and inside you've got their familiar OptiWave drum inside it, which has got the bubbles and the shaped paddles to take care of your fabrics and make sure when it's doing those cotton washes it really is opening up the fabric to let the detergent get in, and when it's doing the delicates, the gentle edge of the paddles are just caressing your fabrics inside there. Being an IDOS machine, which I've just put the Bosch version of this in at home, although I'm sure Siemens would like to say it's something different, but it's not, it's exactly the same. You top it up inside here with your detergent. You've got one for fabric softener and you've got one for detergent. Conventional area there, so you can still use normal detergent if you want. You flip these up and you literally fill them up until it comes up to the max line. The machine is then full of detergent, and when you put it on and press go, it will pull the detergent in. You'll hear the whirring of the pumps come into action. Now at home on my Bosch machine, we're using about 10% of the detergent we were. That's no lie. My wife can't believe how little detergent we're now using in the machine, and I can't believe it because I'm saving a few quid, which is always nice. Now the big thing with this machine is it's Wi-Fi connected, so you can see on the front there it's connected to our Wi-Fi hub here. You set it up with your WPS button on the back of your Wi-Fi hub, so you literally go to the machine, you put it into the pair mode, and then go to it says to press the WPS button on the back of your router, and it connects straight away to it. Now we've got an iPad here. This is my one, so I'll just log into it. We go across and we've downloaded the app here, which goes on an iPad, it goes on an iPhone. I think you can have it on Android devices as well. This one's logged in, it's saying a connection's been established and it's talking to the machine here. Now, if we can just get the front of the machine in there, Aaron, you can see this one. We can pick whichever program we want on here. And you can go the normal way of using a washing machine. Pick you want Cottons or Cottons Eco, Easy Cares, whatever the lion's share of your fabric is, you put it in there. You can adjust the temperature down, adjust the spin speed down, or back up again if you want, so you can tweak the wash perfectly. Also, the little display on here is good, which tells you if it's running low on IDOS. Now, on the iPad though, what we can do is we go to the Easy section. It asks you across the top what you're washing. Leisure wear, household, sports, business, evening dress. So we're going to put household wash in. We're going to do towels. Then we're going to move to the next section. Are they white towels, coloured towels, dark black towels? So they're going to be white towels. Move to the next section. Material characteristic, fine, normal or hard wearing. Well, normal will do us. Soil degree, strong. Any specific preferences you want the wash to be, whether you want to focus on time saving, allergy, reduced ironing. Well, I want to reduce my ironing, so we'll get that down there. And then it tells you what you've picked here: dark wash, synthetic plus, pre-wash, orange. I'm not quite sure what orange is, we'll have to look into that. Strong, off, less ironing, 30 degree. Now if you come down on the front here, Aaron, you can see it's got that written on the front of it, and as soon as I press send, it changes it. So it's literally pinged from my iPad all the way over to the front of the machine here, and I can click start. Oh, hang on, please activate the remote. Now this is the one oddity with it. You do have to remember before you've gone out to have pressed this button on the front, the remote start button, and when you press the remote start button, the little symbols appeared saying you can remote start. And then back on the iPad here, if we press start, the machine locks and leaps into action. Gives you a nice little graphic on the iPad. Now we're going to get an error message on this one because it's not connected to a wet supply in the showroom, as this is our demo mode. Water supply fault, turn on the tap and check hosed installation, see instructions for use. Now the see instructions for use is quite good because on this machine we can actually get the instruction manual up for it. So we can stop it. Do you want to stop the program? Yes. And in here we can go where you pair the machine in the first place. You can come back and it will tell us about it. You can tweak it all. My account information. Trying to see where we've got this specific machine. Oh, it's in here. Washing machine. Here we go. So we know the model number of this machine. We know the FD number, the ENR number. So if you get any faults or service issues, it'll all be on your phone or your iPad. Now, the jury's out with us at Ricep Appliances here how much we're going to use these sorts of features on the front of the machine, when really you can just go up and twist the front of the dial here, which is probably what we're going to be used to doing. Nice ideas are when it's running low on detergent, you'll perhaps get a text alert or you'll get an email alert to your iPad. If there's a fault with the machine, it could become a bit more explanatory of things you might be able to check yourself with your iPad, and it could even email the service agents to tell you that there's something that they could book a service call. They could be ringing you before you know it and telling you you've got a problem with your washing machine. Really underneath it though, you have to bear in mind this washing machine is the flagship in the range. So it's going to be whisper quiet. The noise level is very low on this machine. That A++ energy rating is incredibly high for its energy rating there. All of the things you'd expect from Siemens on their flagship model. I'm sure this will trickle down, this technology of the Wi-Fi and the iSensoric bits that are in it. Any questions or queries, you're more than welcome to leave a message on this YouTube video. We do monitor it. We'd love a thumbs up or a thumbs down from you. Sorry it's not the most polished video you might expect from other retailers, but we try and sort of tell it to you how you would use the machine. And if you're in Ricep or near the area, you're more than welcome to pop in and have a play. Thanks a lot for watching.